Hey Moto babes, it's Audrey and Dahlia.
And we're back. Only this time, we're modifying our bikes.
This is what happens, you know?
I know.
It's no matter how prepared, whatever. I mean, we're gonna have to be looking at all the work I've done on my bike personally. It's me doing a couple things, watching a YouTube video, doing a couple things, watching a YouTube video.
Hey y'all, it's Dahlia, and so we started Audrey's build today on Sunny. As you know, we're doing a front end build, and we're changing a lot of the cosmetic things. Mine's a little bit more in depth with a few other things I'm changing, but essentially what we were doing and how we were starting it is going to be the same. We tried to document that as best we could, but we realized that if we were going to actually learn how to work on our bikes, we couldn't focus on filming as well. With that being said, we kind of went through essentially exactly what I'll be doing with my bike, and hopefully this time we've kind of learned some kinks and we're able to document it appropriately. So with that being said, what we've learned from taking down her bike is that's exactly what I'm going to break down for you guys and separate this into the appropriate videos. But we are going to just start with the essential takedown, taking everything out that I need to take out and then working from that point on. So let's get started with the first step. Remove your seat. This is Moto Teach. She gonna teach you how to use your goddamn manual. We are going to start from where we actually need to start, which is at the seat. So I have a hex. Oh, by the way, yeah.
This is actually just universal screwdriver for. It's not just for the sporty bob seat, but yeah, you get the gist. Seat, because we want to gain access to our battery. So once you remove your seat, you're going to want to come around this way.
It's my favorite part. Fuck you. Every time. Disconnect our battery for safety. All right, we're going to remove the negative. It's the black one.
I can't see it either.
Get the camera on my face. Okay, so what you're gonna look for is your main fuse. This was in my battery area, which I did not know that because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Who am I? What do I do here? I don't even know.
Well, and I mean, that one hadn't
this?
been open in a while, so it was a bitch anyways. But yeah, don't forget to use your manual, y'all.
Yeah.
Because it tells you what to do.
It does.
Fucking idiots.
But so fun.
Yeah.
So fun.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, now we're figuring things out. Hey!
And here you'll find your main fuse.
FYI, this is like one of the first steps, not like one of the middle steps.
No, it's not. So. Okay, so here we start fiddling with the bolts to remove the tank. So unplug, undo your battery, unplug your fuse, and then get to it. And the handlebars are already... That shit was hot. My bike's put back together, so all I need is my tank bolts, and then but you know where those are. I mean, everything's on the top part. Don't forget to read your manual. Fucking dumb, dude.
But fun.
Yeah, and I did this after I took apart my...
And we figured things out the hard way. I don't know. I think that makes us even more knowledgeable.
The muscle memory involved in learning shit the hard way is like immeasurable.
That's what's up.
Yeah, so there's two pieces here. One goes to your electric, one goes to your gas line. And I don't know if you can see that there. Right? Gas line.
Yeah.
Gas under the engine and then electrical. And that's it. 2 pieces.
Yeah.
Here you see me taking apart the right way. Where you start from, you know, all of your connecting pieces.
Makes us better at actually working on motorcycles. We have small hands.
Yeah, yes.
And that's a benefit
Let me
to
use
us.
my small hand.
Yeah, this was a super complicated way that we did all ass backwards, but
yep,
we still got it fucking worked out. Like
manual
it was
time.
Once we got going, it was like boom.
2 pieces, y'all. 2 pieces.
Yeah.
2 pieces.
Much simpler. You could look at the manual if you want to go the simpler route.
Yeah.
Boop.
Never mind the tacky Florida LED lights that you're gonna see eventually. Never mind that cord sitting there.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. I'm from Florida. I'm tacky as fuck. I like lights.
Heard.
Give me lights.
Oh, look at how nicely that tank just comes off, just like
boop,
butter. Beep, boop, bop.
Or.
Yeah, you could do it the way I did it, which was.
Ding dong.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much.
Here we are. Yep.
Whoa, we could have looked. I could have looked at the manual, but I was like, "Fuck that."
Open the manual.
I'm gonna learn this. Yep. And I did. So.
Yeah. What I've seen with this,
look at the manual.
Is
you don't see me, but I'm actually unplugging her tank underneath the.
Yeah.
She's holding it, and I'm unplugging it.
Like, this is the dance of joy.
Well, we hope you guys liked the video.
Yeah. It's our first time, so be gentle. But,
yeah.
We had a really great time doing the whole thing. My bike took a little bit longer, and then once my bike was done, her bike was so much easier. So we definitely learned a lot, and we have a lot more videos coming too.
Yeah, our next video is going to be the caddy harness removal, where we take down that little harness case. We're going to figure out the wiring, what goes to what, and we're going to collect that and run it through the front end and take out the handlebars. So that's the next video that we have in line. And we're just super excited because this was a lot of fun. It was great. So I recommend anyone doing their own modifications to their bike.
Yeah.
I also recommend anyone getting their bestie to do it with them.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us, Instagram, YouTube. We're going to have a lot more fun, a lot more videos coming out. It's going to definitely be a fun summer. So till next time. Bye. And